Oh, hello.
Wow.
No, I said
We literally just got on the video and then I fall off the ginormous tree and find some pumpkin.
Yeah. Well, that's what's happening. We just spawned in a jungle in this new
We should try to
world.
leave jungles. I don't really like jungles.
Ooh.
Because I'm now afraid of
Cocoa beans.
Yeah, I already have one.
Well, yeah, but they can make cookies, and cookies are yummy. We'll be able to eat them when we beat the Ender Dragon.
Wait.
Because we won't be able to make many. Ocelot.
Wait, where are you?
Ocelot.
Dude, where are you?
Here.
Gus, panda.
There's a panda. There's an actual panda.
Let's
There's no
try to tame
bamboo
it.
though.
I know how to tame pandas. Wait, no, you can't tame them.
You need bamboo.
To feed them. Let go. I think
yeah, you're right.
I saw bamboo over here. Yeah.
It's a baby ocelot. It's just too cute to leave, but I have to.
Oh, I want more seeds. I found a parrot.
Whoa, is this like? Oh my gosh! What is this? Okay, I
Gus, don't you dare take my parrot. I found it first.
I swear I didn't use any seeds, or I didn't try to at least. And this is normal. I didn't actually use a seed to make this or go into creative mode or something. This is real. This is like a real.
Oh, Gus, I know what those are.
Real dungeon.
There are Gus, you do not want to go in there when you have nothing.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a pickaxe because I think there are redstone traps in there. So if I just disable the redstone, I should be able to.
Do it. And I've seen those in like a sky block thingy that we've done.
Yeah, they're not fun.
There's good stuff.
If
If you can get into the basement, good. We have loot. Good loot.
But if we don't, well, sorry, you're dead.
Yes.
Because if you aren't getting to the basement, you're obviously
you
doing
want
that.
us to be in hardcore mode, but we're not.
Well, we're not going to do that yet. We'll do that in a later video. We're not going to do that in...
Gus, I have a crafting table. No, I don't.
Why are you taking all of my wood?
Hey!
I want wood. I'm just putting you out of the way. And plus, it's only like half a heart damage. Like, you can live with that, can't you? Oh, wait, I forgot to set the 20-minute thing. Oh yeah, slime ranchers. Don't worry, this is just from some normal things that I do. And no, you're not allowed to say that. Okay. Okay, yeah. You weren't supposed to see me doing this. And start. Yeah.
Well,
just pretend like that didn't actually happen.
We already know when we're supposed to start. I mean, end.
And go.
We already know when to end. I'm pretty sure 10 minutes after that.
Okay, here we go. Now go ahead and... Oh, yeah, I forgot that. Just a touch away. So...
Why 3?
What?
It looked like Gus. No, there's an entire thing to...
I'm getting stone.
No, you're not. That's so dumb.
What? What do you mean?
There's literally an entire structure made of stone right next to us.
Oh, yeah. Right. Well, we'll want this later on. We'll want a mine, so we might as well start now.
Sorry, parrot, but apparently there's a tree in the ground, so I need to break the leaves that you're on, and yeah.
I mean, it was a bad idea, but
why is there one jungle log?
And I fell into a cave. I'm going to use my wood to get out of here. Except for I'm going to get this coal. I would like coal. It's a single piece will be fine. Thank you.
I'll tell you where you're going. Gus, there's more coal. Gus, you just let me down.
Yeah, I know.
You're so mean.
Well, what? I tried to get out. Why did you even go in there?
So then I could help you. Oh, know where you are. I can see in the dark like fine in this game.
Me too, but I... Okay.
I had no idea. What did you
Take the stone pickaxe. We'll work together.
Where's my stone pickaxe?
Work together to disable the traps. Now let's see. Where's the door?
Go downstairs. No.
Wait, no. I need to do something. I need to do something.
Down there.
I need to do something.
The loot is down.
I wanted to tame them. I don't know how to tame parrots, actually.
It takes seeds, Gus.
Well, yeah, but I have cocoa. No, these are cocoa beans, not seeds. Lol. No,
Ow!
what are you doing?
I'm getting into the downstairs.
Hey, why don't we not cheat?
There, I got a bunch of good stuff.
Why don't you not cheat the dungeon?
I'm not cheating.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
just smart.
You are cheating. You're not supposed to do that.
Okay, Gus, we have to.
Ooh,
We now have an iron pick.
Because you're a cheater.
No, I'm not.
You're a cheater.
I'm just smart.
Okay, let's see. Any traps here?
I did not cheat to get in.
String.
Okay. Well, Gus, I'm coming down to give you my stone pick. Rotten flesh already.
I want
Don't
it.
you see my hole? Let's take the tripwires and everything.
Yeah, we'll take all of it so we can make stuff with the redstone. Because, you know, I'm a redstone genius.
Yeah, and I have an iron pick. So now we can get all of Gus. There's redstone behind the wall. Did you not know that?
I wasn't really trying to. You can do that. I'll just. Ooh.
Yeah, probably because I am the one with the. Oh yeah,
What is that? What
it
is
does
that? do?
something. I remember doing. Wait, what? Let's just break everything.
Wait, no, stop it. You're cheating the dungeon. Why do you have to cheat the dungeon?
Oh, arrows. Thanks.
Spinners. I mean, like, at least finish. I mean, at least finish the dungeon before you cheated. Like, I mean, come
Well,
on.
I mean, at least if we now have 16 arrows.
Yeah, but we could have, like, it's okay to steal that, but you
Where
don't
did
have
you
to
go?
cheat the dungeon. Plus, the dungeon is supposed to be fun. We're just supposed to do
Actually,
it.
no, it's
the
not supposed to
best
be
way.
fun. It's supposed to be killing you so then you don't get
Well,
loot.
yeah, but it's supposed to be fun.
Mossy cobble. I'm
Like-
using my mossy cobble.
What's this? This place. Okay, I wasn't sure if we were at the very bottom or not.
Yeah, there's only 2 stories.
Okay, I didn't know. I didn't realize that those stairs were doing good that way.
I didn't use stairs.
No, I meant the stairs. I used them.
I didn't either.
But I said I used them.
I'm talking weird, okay?
You're talking very incorrect too.
Dude, why did you leave the crafting table?
'Cause I'm looking around.
Oh, babe, I mean, just no awesome.
Kill it! Kill it! One more. That's okay. I don't have sears yet.
Was ineffective.
Well, I mean, at least we got something.
Yeah, now we have to find another sheep and shear it or kill 2 more sheep.
Sheep don't only drop one when you kill them.
Actually, yes, I've done it like
And
a thousand, like 20
Did I just use
times.
on-
It's
oh,
never dropped up more than 1. You just wasted infinite wool there.
Well, yeah, but what?
Actually,
How
no,
would I
you
find that
didn't.
stuff
There's
again?
a ton of sheep.
Yeah, how would I anyway? How would I find that sheep
dude,
again?
we really need to get out of this jungle. I really don't like it here, except for that there's melons everywhere. But I already have enough melons. I can make enough melons.
Wait, dude. Find a flat patch of ground, and that's where we'll
What's
make
a
home
grand?
base. Or land. Find a flat patch of land. If it has a bunch of trees on it, that's okay.
Just
Trees are actually good. Okay, I found a nice spot. Try coming to me.
What? Where are you? I want to
don't
know
know.
your coordinates. I need to know your coordinates.
I don't have that.
Don't know.
Nah. We'll do that when it's time to mine. For now, you should try knowing how to locate me without having to use coordinates. It's good to learn.
Well, I don't see your name tag.
Oh.
I've already learned how to see
Well. Oh, wait a minute.
and look around in Minecraft. Okay, turn that on. Thanks. Dude, I have no idea where you are. I almost died from a spider because I was so low from falling off that tree in the start.
Great, spiders can get you string.
I got 1 string. I now have, oh, that's enough for a bow.
Yeah.
Also, didn't you already get 3 strings from that? We can now both have a bow. Just here.
Yeah, but more string is good.
Just to let you know, dude, I have a stack and 11 pumpkin.
Oh, I just realized
Melon.
I
Which
literally
is
have
a
39
stack and
melons.
11 melon seeds.
Num 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 num
The
num
eco
num 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 num. I should probably stop saying that. Num num num.
Oh, Gus, we have a chance to get another piece of gold.
Nice. Okay.
Well, a lot more.
Well, I don't have enough stuff for a bed,
Well,
so we're gonna have.
Stop! I can see your name tag. First, just if you're lucky, drones can give you gold.
It's like the chance to gain iron from a zombie.
Yeah, but it might have gave me some.
It's super
Just
rare.
stop moving. I'm locating your name tag. And
You're
then
literally right in front of me. Stop it.
What I'm doing today.
Okay.
Joking.
So we'll have to survive the night. No drums. Okay. I'm gonna make a crafting table. I'll make some axes for us or actually no, we'll go down. We'll go downstairs. No, we're not gonna. No. I meant to say we will go in the ground.
Are we gonna get some shovels or?
Nah.
I'm gonna make a shovel.
Okay, so what are we gonna want? Stone. That's what we're trying to get right now.
Shovel.
Right? Yeah. So we're just trying to get stone currently.
Guys, do you want a shovel or not?
Nah.
Okay, I already got one. Now I'm gonna make the mine. Fine, I'll have 2 mines.
What? No. Come to this mine. Just wait until I'm done here.
Broke my shop. No, I accidentally pressed it.
Wait. How did you accidentally press Q? Oh my gosh, something's here. Oh my gosh, there's a zombie.
That's
no,
me.
it's you.
I'm just trolling you, bro.
Leave me alone. Get out of here. Block it up.
Okay, I blocked it off, okay?
Yeah. Whoa!
I'm the one with the iron pickaxe.
Creeped me there, dude. Now keep going. Okay, now stop. Stop it. Stop. No, stop. Yeah, do that. Since we're just trying to get cobblestone, we'll just
Found iron.
Oh, nice.
Whoa, this is a lot of iron.
Oh my. Oh, I found a cave.
6 iron.
Well, I figured out where the iron came from, or why there's iron there. And there's a cave right here.
Yeah, I am actually near you.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna need some coal. So I'm gonna need to find some.
I don't have any coal on me, do you?
No, I don't.
And you ran out. Why didn't you get more coal from the last cave?
What do you mean? Well, I didn't think about it. I mean, we weren't going to go in a cave. Like, I was just getting a bit of coal.
I thought I just saw diamonds. Saw diamonds.
Soul.
Soul, not Sal.
You just said soul again.
Soul.
What?
I said soul, not Sal, Henry.
I'm so confused.
I thought I saw diamonds. Where did we come from? Not came from.
What? We just... Oh, there it is.
There's a dead end. Just get your torches.
I'll get my torch then.
Torch it? What's a torch?
I said then. I'll just get my torch then.
Jump.
No,
Jump.
stop. Stop. Get out of the way.
Stop. Get out of my way.
No, get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
You don't have any blocks. What's wrong with you? You don't even have any blocks.
Okay, just make a staircase.
What's wrong with you?
I'll give you all your stuff.
What's wrong with you?
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm out in the middle of nowhere because you killed me for no reason.
Actually, no, I didn't mean to kill you. You were just on the wrong block.
Henry, I was on the right block. I was trying to do something and you got in my way and then you killed me because you were mad at me, even though...
No, I was not. I thought I was hitting you off the block.
Oh, stop yelling. That's really loud.
No, it's not.
You are super loud.
No, it's not.
Dude, when you yell, you can't tell you're yelling. It just sounds like someone else talking normally. So when you yell, you think that you're just talking normally when you're actually yelling and screaming and everyone's ears are
I don't
bleeding.
scream anymore, dude.
Right.
I don't,
You don't
scream.
screech anymore.
Scream.
No, you don't screech anymore.
Scream.
You still scream.
No,
you
I
just
don't.
screech.
You're just like mother and father. Isn't screaming and yelling are the same thing?
Dude, screaming and yelling are the same thing.
Those are not.
Okay, seriously? Will someone prove me wrong? Just like tell me in the thing.
Chat. Good.
People call it chat? Okay,
Yes,
tell me in
it's
chat.
chat.
That seems so weird. Tell me in chat. Will you tell me if scream and yell are the same thing? Because I mean, seriously, like.
Well, an adult is probably gonna watch this and then be like, scream and yell are the same thing, dude.
And then they're gonna be completely right.
No.
Why do you think you're smarter than an adult?
I'm not saying I am. I'm just saying no adults are right on that. That's all I'm saying.
You literally think screech and scream are the same.
No, I don't.
What?
No, I don't.
Oh, this is
No, I
weird.
don't.
Did I just see a traitor? No, that's just a spider.
I do not.
Okay, I'm gonna take this bamboo.
Guys, you need to get over me. I have a ton of coal.
Nah.
I have a ton. It's your fault you died.
Yes,
I was just trying to dig up. And you're in my way.
I was there first.
Yeah, and then I saw it, and then I was like, oh, I'm gonna help. And then you just...
Dude, if we were both on the
Me
same
too.
space, how were you? You killed me.
On accident. Yeah.
On accident. What do you mean on accident?
On accident. I thought I hit you off the block already.
What? No, you didn't. Why weren't you looking? You just... you're so bad at...
Anyway, I already sorted my stuff and your stuff away from each other.
Okay, well, I'm getting out of here because I found a woodland mansion in a village. Look at my screen. Woodland mansion, village.
Turn on your coordinates now.
Okay,
I will literally make you.
Well, I guess it's pretty smart. We'll write this down so that we can come and see where
No,
we
I'm
are
gonna go
again.
there now.
Okay.
I'm gonna see your coordinates and I'm gonna come to you. I want to get to that village.
So coordinates, yeah.
And I'm going to.
Okay, so I'll write it down because you are very, very slow at writing.
Yeah, I know. Don't blame me. I'm a slow kid. Whoa, Zombieville!
Dude, you don't have to yell.
It's really a zombie villager attacking me from the behind. But good thing I have the high ground now. It's now in the water. Oh no,
We're
that's loud.
so loud.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, I'm gonna go to the village first, even though it's
Yes, I
further
really
away.
know you even are.
I wrote down the coordinates.
Okay, I'm getting close. The last number is getting smaller and smaller and smaller.
I'm going.
And it's in the 100. So
I'm going to go for the village because, well, I mean, it's the village. You kind of want to go there. And there's also a woodland mansion, as you know, but no.
I have no idea where you are. I'm still trying to find you.
Well, I already left that spot. Stupid speeder.
Oh,
Speeder, I will literally kill you. Yeah.
wait. What? Where's my note?
Melon.
What?
Melon. No, it's on the other side. Or no, it is on that side. It's on the bottom. I made it small. On the bottom of it.
I know, I see it. I'm killing a zombie that has full gold armor. With melon.
Melon.
Yes.
You're killing
melon.
a melon.
With melon.
I'm killing a zombie with full gold armor. With melons.
Okay.
The derpiness will never end. Also, now I'm gonna go tame a parrot with my seeds.
Okay, -50. So I need to be getting closer.
I found a parrot.
Because I'm almost in the negative.
Or a parrot. Or two parrots I saw before. Yes.
Ooh.
Hi, little dude. No, dude. This is a jungle. You can't escape my wrath of love.
Okay.
You might
Oh,
be
more
nice.
melons.
Come with me, dude. Oh, I love this dude. I love him. I don't know why I love him.
Hey guys, listen to this.
If he dies, I'm going to be so sad. But he won't die. I'm going to save him. He won't be able to die.
How? I'm the one with all your stuff.
I found a parrot.
I might want to kill
I
him.
found another parrot.
More. Really,
And
more?
I have melons. And you know what you can do with melons? You can turn them into melons.
Yeah,
And
I
you
know. I have more stack.
Parrots eat seeds. So, hey, dude, you like it? You like it?
Stop. Wait, what?
Little dude.
I'm close.
Oh,
I know.
yeah, you
Wait, no,
know.
I'm really far away.
Hey, come on, my shoulder, dude.
Dude, I can hardly find it.
Hey, dude, what you doing? Get over here.
No, run
Oh my
away.
gosh, I'm ready to
Do we
see.
need to keep going this
F5.
way?
Oh my gosh, Henry, look at my screen. This
No.
is so cute.
Oh, wait, you can have more than one parrot on you at a
Yeah,
time.
I
I've had one parrot
so
on me at a
cute.
time. I never knew you could have two.
It's so cute. They're so cute. Okay, I'm going to get more melons in case I need to tame more carrots.
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 Carrot? You're never going to tame a carrot.
Right, that's exactly how it works. Yes. Oh wait, I think I lost track of the village.
A carrot.
It's okay. These parrots are my new best friends.
Dude, I need your help. Is that -50 or not?
And that's -50.
Well, how come I can't find it anywhere?
No, I think I'm going in the right direction currently. I'm not sure. I might be going in the wrong direction. I might even
I'm
be
running
heading.
out of melons. I'm
I
joking.
might even be heading for the woodland mansion, but it looks like there's a close.
Going the wrong
There's
way.
like
But
it's going down.
It's -50.
What? No. I'm not trying to get to the point of tree. I'm not trying to get to the tree where I saw it. I'm not trying to get to the tree where I saw it. I'm trying to get to the village that I saw.
Yeah, I know. Me too. I'm trying to get to the village that you saw.
And those coordinates are not to the village. They're to the place where I saw the village. So how would I know the coordinates to the actual village? I've never been there.
Well, maybe you should have explored it instead of just ran off.
Dude, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to explore it. I'm running off to explore it. Oh, this is a clear spot. I saw the village in a clear spot up high. And I think...
Wait, you're out of the jungle. I need to get you now.
Oh, I did. Well, wait, do I have them? I only have one. Where'd the other one go? Did you drown?
Don't speak around.
Oh, yeah, here you are. I know it was a joke. Hey, come on, dude. Get down my shoulder.
I should be here.
I love this. I love the parrots. The parrots
What?
are my best friends. I have two parrots. I love them.
No, I'm not out.
Oh, I found it. Yes.
What?
I found the village.
Oh.
And these dudes
I'm so
This,
sad that you can't TP me.
I'll be able to turn it into red dye. And that red dye can be used
If
to
you
turn
could
beds
TP
to
me.
red. Ooh, blue. That means I can make purple beds because blue plus red equals purple. We'll both have purple beds.
Yeah, definitely.
If you fit it.
Squishy! You have any idea how rare those are?
I'm gonna guess pretty rare. Wait, okay.
I don't even know.
Oh yeah, okay. I was seeing if that purple dye thing was actually how it would be, because normally if red dye plus blue dye would make double the size of one dye, so you wouldn't make one purple dye with one red dye and one blue dye.
It would make
two. Because that would be the
well, that would be perfect.
Blah 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 blah.
Wait,
blah,
did
blah,
you make it
blah, blah,
twice?
blah, blah. Yeah, I have 4 purple now.
That's twice as how many we need.
And also those blahs were for all of the talking I was doing. I didn't mean that towards you. Oh, it looks like Reddy is down. Where did you go, dude? Where'd you go?
Where even is the village?
If I find parrot guts, I'm going to be very mad.
Parrot guts are not a thing.
Oh, there you are.
Let's go.
And there they are.
Where even are you?
Parrots, I'm gonna have to go in the water, so I'm sorry guys, you can't go in there. So I'm really sorry, but to get to the village where you will be safe and happy, I have to do it. Okay guys, let's do this. I'm gonna feed you both seeds. No, I can't do that. Gimme. I would always say gimme and gimme. Oh, it's here.
What?
Oh my gosh, it's a baby horse. It's so cute.
Oh, that means I'm getting close.
Oh, it's so
Because I'm getting out of the negative.
Oh, I love this horse.
I've gone through so many melons. We better make that our home for a long time.
Oh,
Because I am kind of running out of them.
It's a kitty.
Oh, I'm getting super close.
Wait, where'd you
I'm
go?
pretty sure.
Where'd blue go? Where did you go, blue? Okay, I'm gonna have to look. Oh,
I thought I was gonna just die and lose everything.
Okay, where's blue? Seriously, this is not the time to be lost, blue.
Oh, I'm gonna have so much iron.
Blue, where are you? Blue.
Guys, if there's not a blast furnace there, I'm gonna be really mad.
Oh, there you are, blue. Oh, I was so worried about you. Oh my gosh. I thought you were gone, maybe. Oh.
What do you mean by gone?
I thought he was gone. I thought he died or something. I thought he got stuck in water. I was so worried about you, Blue. I'm happy that you're safe. I sound like a mother right now, don't I?
Yes.
Sound like a mom.
You sound like a mom finding your lost.
Long child.
Yeah.
Like,
Your
oh,
long
I'm so
lost
glad I
child.
found you. That's actually pretty funny to me, honestly. Oh, I found you. I'm so happy I found you. Big giant. Oh man, I did something.
I like you, Cotton G.
No, don't.
I love you. I like you, Cotton G.
Okay, let's see. 6 pumpkins for an emerald. Ooh, an emerald 4 apples. That might be useful if I want goldies. But I'm... Ooh, what are you? Oh yeah, I remember you. You're the kind of guy that I can buy maps from.
What?
Or no.
There.
Oh my gosh, looting 3. 24 emeralds in a book for looting 3.
Oh, that's definitely worth it.
Okay, so...
Guts, what is that? What book is that?
I don't know. I'm not to the level.
Guts,
Yes.
keep him occupied. Keep him occupied until I'm there.
Huh?
Keep him occupied.
What do you mean occupied?
Like, keep looking at his grades. You're so dumb.
What do you mean keep looking at it straight?
Oh.
No, I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to do
But
something
you
like
want to
that.
be in the same place, and then once I get there,
Dude, last time something like that happened, he despawned in your world. Okay, so I think that's the end of this video. This video was longer than expected.
what do you mean? No,
But-
it's not. We're supposed to stop at 7:32.
No, the idea was to stop after
7:32.
20 minutes.
7:32.
Okay, well,
She gave us
It's almost
33 minutes.
yeah, we weren't supposed to do it for 33 minutes. We're supposed to do it for 20 minutes, but
No,
I
we're
don't.
supposed to do it for
Alright, stop
33
it. Okay, so, please like and subscribe the video. And if you want to see our new video,
Stop it.
please hit the bell and press all notifications to be notified whenever we make a video.
Do not
Bye.
leave. Do not leave. Do not leave. Do not leave.